I would like to add, I am Nagarajan here. I would like to add about something about the mask. Yeah, this mask is a symbol for our five-bodied personal self, not recognizing our real awareness, the real you. When it is not recognizing the real you, our real awareness in all it is a 5-layered mask already. This mask, which has manifested in the mouth of the physical body, clearly shows our total unrecognition of all and its direct representative, the real you, our real awareness. It is a totally non-collaborative position of our personal self. So now we can choose whether our personal self be the mask or veils for a real you, or we can make our personal selves into a collaborative relationship with our real you and all so that instead of being a 5-layered mask, it can be a 5-layered mouthpiece of all and mouthpiece of a real you, our real awareness. That is the choice actually. The choice is staring us on the face actually. That is after hearing Vishnu's about telling about the mask, we will have to face ourselves, whether we choose to be a 5-layered mask as personal self or a 5-layered mouthpiece or channel or opening for all and our real awareness or real self or real you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nat. It's good. Yeah, it's an ongoing adventure. If we have the personal self, which we created, we have this thing that we're dealing with all the time, and we've been around a long time here in creation, so there's a lot hidden, a lot going on, a lot of masks and things that we've created for ourselves that will come up as long as we have this personal self. So it's an ongoing thing, it's an ongoing process, becoming more aware. In a way, it's a good thing because there's always something to do. There's always going to be something. It's not like there's an end point.
Yeah. It is a wake-up call. It is a wake-up call. It is a wake-up call. We have to really wake up fast.
Yeah, especially now, where we don't know what's going to happen. They could push a button and something could happen pretty bad. Pretty huge. Although they still need people to work for them, and they still need slave labor, and so they can't wipe out everybody, but they've got so many plans and backup plans that who knows? It's so devious here, everything.
I always remember an optimistic message in most of the Duane Hepner's Facebook group messages, that creation, however distorted it is still an integral part of all is. But the problem is that we don't have recognition of all is at all. So we are stuck up with the distortion. If we have the recognition of all is, then the all is will bypass all the distortions and come to us where we are and support us definitely. But that recognition should be steadfast and continuous. That is missing.
Yes, that takes care of everything. The focus on the is, and everything else is okay. Whatever comes, you just deal with it. But yeah, that's the main thing. It gets us through.
As we are at our level as personal, 5-body personal selves, we can't bypass the deep dark border. but the all is all powerful. The sound light of all is with the new use song, the sound light all is bypasses every restriction, bypasses all distortions, and come to us however we are at our doorsteps, wherever we are, and whatever time we are. So that is the beauty of Divine's message. The sound light of all is, he has brought it open to all people, irrespective of race, color, religion, caste, and all that differences. There is no need of any initiation. The all is open to everybody. But only thing is, people can't believe, by singing this new song, can I be connected to the first source or all is? That is what, because it mind wants all complexities. No, it is such a simple thing Divine has placed before all of us, and so that we can have direct access to all is without any intermediaries, without any gimmicks. By just singing the new song and recognizing the sound light of all is bypassing all the layers and coming down to where we are, however we are, at whatever time we are.
Yes, you got it, Nat. Yeah, it's so real. It's so here, so now. Just a matter of recognizing what just is here. But it's a huge process. It's huge to get through our creations and what other people are creating for us, and we're agreeing to that. It's huge. So fortunately, we do have Dwayne and the Real Guides here to help us through. So much gratitude for that.